we'll be discussing today is the Eravikulam National Park, which is also located in the state of Kerala. Now, this national park was in news because a landslide was reported in the national park. And this national park is also famous for the Nilgiri Thar, which is having a dedicated sanctuary for the Nilgiri Thar in order to conserve them. And Nilgiri Thar, the IUCN status is endangered. So remember this IUCN status of Nilgiri Thar, and this national park, it is located in the Idukki district of Kerala. So moving ahead further about the other important aspects of the national park. Now the national park, it is located in the Western Ghat, which is quite obvious as it is located in the state of Kerala. And the total area of the national park is 97 square kilometers. And the other important detail about the national park is the Anaimudai peak, which is the highest peak in South India. It is found in the national park. Now, you need to remember the important peaks of India, especially in the southern region and the northern region and also the northeastern region. Now, this is an important topic for your geography. Even this can be related to your environment, as examiner can link geography and environment together and they can ask a question. So, you need to be aware about the important peaks of India. Now, there are important rivers which crisscrosses the national park, and the important rivers are the tributaries of Periyar and Kaveri river. And Periyar river, it empties into Arabian Sea, and the Kaveri river, it empties on the eastern coast of India. Now, the national park is also, there are famous forests. The name of the forest is Poyamkutti and Idamaliyar forest, which are found in the national park, and a famous waterfall with the name of Lakom waterfall, it is found in the national park. So moving ahead further, we'll be discussing about the history of the national park. Now, it was under the Karan Devan Hill Province Act when the state of Kerala, it purchased the land, that is, it took the land for developing this national park or declaring this national park from the Karan Devan Hills Produce Company. And in the year 1975, it was declared a wildlife sanctuary with the name of Eravikulam Rajmal Wildlife Sanctuary. And it was in the year 1978 when the status of national park was bestowed upon this sanctuary. So the other important aspects about the type of geographical features. Now this national park, it has an undulating topography and it is around 2000 meters above from the sea level. And the type of forests which are found in this national park are the shola forest, grasslands and shrubland. And it is also the part of the mountain vegetation which is found in the national park.